Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to talk about OPEC. It is the acronym for the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Headquartered in Vienna, Austria, it is a sort of permanent intergovernmental organization that was established at the Baghdad Conference in September 1960. Back then, it was formed by basically 5 founding member or founding countries that are Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. Currently, it has a total of 13 member countries. So, the 8 other members are particularly, you can say, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Libya, Algeria, Nigeria and Indonesia, and also Ecuador and Gabon. So, these are the rest of the 8 other countries. Now let us head towards the objectives of OPEC. Objectives are basically that the OPEC actually, you can say, regulates the oil production activities in order to bring about a just and stable price for the oil producing countries. And secondly, they also account for sort of economic and regular supply of the oil to the consuming nations in an efficient manner, and also for a good return on their investments as well. Coming on to the functions of the OPEC, how do they function actually? See, OPEC countries, as I have already told about their objectives, they do so by regulating, of course, the oil market by decreasing or increasing their oil productions, and through that they bring about a sort of stability in the oil market, a sort of security in the oil market. Then also we can say that they actually provide a sort of amalgamation of the petroleum policies of the member nations to actually, through that they bring about the security which I have already talked about. Then secondly, the you can say Ministry of Petroleum and the Ministry of Energy and Hydrocarbon Affairs meet twice in a year to discuss the you can say international oil market prices and thereby act upon that. So these are the functions. So recently we all know during the COVID-19 pandemic in the year 2020, oil prices reduced to as far as $20 per barrel. Back then it was $60 per barrel. So you can see that happened because across the earth there was complete lockdown. So economic activities had come to a standstill. So oil wasn't actually needed, and so the oil prices came down. Thereafter, OPEC met and decided to decrease their oil productions, and once we all know that something which is less in number and whose demand is high, prices generally increase. So in that sense, OPEC function and to bring about, of course, this stability in the oil prices for the member nations. And this was all for today. Hope you would have got to know a lot about it, and thanks a lot.